Hey guys, welcome back to the House of Valentina. Jack's here again. I don't know, he just keeps showing up. It's like, he's not gonna be in every video, but...
Well, the host is hot and the pay's great, so I keep showing up.
That is not the way to start a video in the bedroom.
Oh, that's true. Hashtag awkward.
Jeez. Okay, start again. Hi, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and this is my home, and I am so excited that you're here today. We are counting down the days until Christmas. 25 days, 25 videos to celebrate the holiday season. This series is just absolutely packed with so many fun ideas. It's full of tips and tricks. It's full of shopping ideas and room makeovers. We just hope more than anything that you'll take away so much joy during this holiday season through this series. We're so delighted to have you here at the House of Valentina, and let's jump into today's video. Hey guys, welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina, and my husband Jack is with me again today. And I have sent him on a quick errand. He's got props.
I brought props. So the foraging fox sent the foraging dork out, and this is what I came back with.
I wanted to show that anybody could do this, because if he can do it, anyone can do it.
I was nervous. I was like, how long should they be? What should I do? Help me.
Yeah, so we are actually finishing up our master bedroom, and I wanted to be able to show you some last minute things that we were working on, and then we'll give you the full tour. So let's go over to the Christmas tree, because we actually have a Christmas tree in our bedroom, which is really weird because every other year I'm completely anti-Christmas in our bedroom.
Yes, but this year it's Christmas all over.
Everywhere.
It's like a tree tour. You just follow the house and go around, and there's, again, if you don't like one tree, keep going, there'll be one you like. So
yes.
I love
this one.
This
doesn't have any presents under it.
No. No, but I love it. I love it because the lights at night and everything else is perfect.
All right, let's take you over there.
Right.
I'll show you what we're doing. We got this Christmas tree at a yard sale, and it was a great deal. I think it cost us 15 bucks. But we've systematically and slowly but surely been taking all the colored lights off of it because it just didn't, first of all, they didn't work, because I'm actually not opposed to colored lights 100%. But they didn't work.
They didn't work.
We had to add in our own, and then it just looks like when you get up close to it.
The sun kept hitting them, and so suddenly you'd see like this purple one or this red one. It was kind of awkward.
Yeah, so we systematically, slowly but surely, just been pulling them out. But it's also kind of got like these pokey little sections of it, and so I thought, you know, let me just see if I can fill it in just a little bit with some of these real grains, which is why I sent my foraging dork out to get me some of these.
Foraging dork.
So I was thinking I would just put them in here. And God, they're so beautiful. Okay, these are off our camellia bush. This camellia bush is just breathtaking. So if you were gonna plant something anytime soon, I would actually recommend a camellia. Because
these are actually at Home Depot right now. Like, I guess it's the time you can plant them.
Yes, at Pike Nurseries and a bunch of places, because they bloom in the winter. It's one of the few flowers that blooms in the winter. So this is a really special bush, and I think it's actually considered a tree.
So you literally just like stick them somewhere where you see a gap?
Yeah, like it just looks holy and not in a pretty way.
Can I go off to the side?
Look down here, how ugly this is down here.
I can't see.
Here, hang on, let me show you guys.
Okay, you show me.
Yeah, see how there's like this really ugly hole down here?
Yeah,
and
you're
because
right.
the branches, it's just an abused tree. So I would just think like putting one of these back in here will kind of help fill it in. And it adds, actually, I think that's actually perfect for that spot. And it just rests in here, so there's nothing holding it in other than the branches themselves.
Well, the cool thing is it not only fills in, you can't see me, but the cool thing is it not only fills in some of the space,
Do you like that? Do you like that?
but it adds like depth to
Yeah,
it.
I was thinking, oh, you like it too? Well, what I was thinking is that this would make it feel a little bit more real, actually. I think maybe just a few more branches. Do you mind clipping a few more?
Nope.
Foraging dork. Oh my goodness, couldn't you guys see Louie? Louie is here. Do you approve? Do you approve of our tree? Do you like it? Go outside? All right, go outside. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going. I actually learned this little trick from one of my friends, and we are gonna be seeing her video very soon. And she did this with faux florals. So if you don't have any greens available to you, you can always use faux for this. Okay, so what do you think of the tree?
Oh, it looks amazing. Like it truly, you would never guess that was a flea market type find.
Yeah,
it looks awesome.
It really did make a big difference, didn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, I know Amy, I'll probably go clip a few more, but...
Probably.
So what do you think about the rest of the room?
I love it. I love it because it still feels, again, we talked about it in the sunroom one. I love it when in Christmas decor makes sense in the context. And our room is luxurious and like, it's relaxing and luxurious all at the same time. It feels like a warm, comfortable hotel stay type place. Yeah. So I love what you did with the way you brought Christmas in, but it still feels soft. It still feels just, you know, when you wake up to it, it's not like, rah, jolly old St. Nicholas. You know.
Well, if you remember when we first came into this house and we first moved in, it was a little bit depressing because there was carpet everywhere. And there were really heavy drapes, which they very kindly left for us.
Yeah, it was really sweet.
Lots of really heavy furniture. You are kidding, right?
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of sarcasm. Hashtag highly sarcastic in that
Yeah.
One. It literally felt like beige came in here and died.
It just felt very oppressive. Like, and when we took those out, we were literally just covered in dust and dirt. And so we just took everything out of this room. And originally it was actually a really deep, like bluish gray color, and everybody really loved that color. A lot of people thought that I was crazy. Oh my God, does our dog, he's literally carrying a Starbucks around.
We just brought a squishy Starbucks in with him.
Oh, look at Louie.
He's like, please pay me some attention.
Somebody fill this cup. He had his first puppuccino recently.
Oh my gosh.
And I think he remembers what the cup looked like.
I think so.
Oh my. Okay,
Goodness.
all right. When we first moved in, we actually painted it a dark bluish color, and people were so upset. It was so funny. So many people were upset that we were painting over that color. And I was just like, well,
when we painted over the dark?
If you know me, yeah. Like nobody was upset when we painted over the beige.
No, yeah.
But when we were painting over the blue, people didn't understand why we were painting the room again.
Oh yeah.
And it just felt very oppressive to us again. And once we painted this room white, and then we did that black wall, oh man.
It doesn't get a lot of light. So there's a bay window right here, which you're seeing the light from, but that's like it. Yeah, it just stays dark. And so one of the things I love that you did by lightening it is it obviously made it brighter. But then also with the Christmas stuff that you brought in, you used a lighter palette for pretty much everything. I did. I wanted it to feel really light and airy, and on a Friday or Saturday night, this is usually where our family, maybe on Sunday too. Yeah. Usually if we're not out with friends or whatever, we're hanging out in here with our kids, and everybody climbs on the bed, and that's why we have the extra chair in here, and there's blankets everywhere, and there's pillows, because we just really love to hang out as a family in here, and everybody pile on the bed. I grew up in a house where my mom's bed was the place that we all loved to hang out and watch movies together, and I have the fondest memories of that, and I wanted to be able to give that to our kids. So our room is a family sanctuary. It's not just our space. It's something that we do actually share with our kids, and I think that that's kind of special. No, I think it's really cool, and it feels like, you know, when we travel, that's one of the things you do, right? You sit in the hotel bed and you all watch TV, and this to me feels like that. It's like a warm at-home hotel room. And so we function it the same exact way. Thank you guys so much for joining us here today. I hope that you've enjoyed this little tour of our French country modern bedroom. I guess that's what you would call it. With a Christmas overlay. Yes, with the Christmas spirit added in. Yeah, it's pretty crazy that we've designed a room and we actually kept it that way. That's unusual for us, but I think we found a winner. It's seasonal. Yes. It'll change later. I don't think so. I really enjoy this. We'll change out pillows and greenery, but I think that when you find something that's really special, you just love having it, and you just change out those little items over the seasons, and that's what makes this room so much fun to me. I will definitely link back to when we made over this room recently so you guys can see that video, but also be sure to click through and visit the other days of our 25 days of Christmas. We're really starting to add up, so if you've missed any, there are lots to see. And don't forget, hit subscribe and the notifications button, and leave us a comment because we love hearing from you guys, right? Yeah. Especially you, because everyone's like, oh, keep bringing him back. Keep sending me comments. I love that. So. Yeah, and make sure you also follow us over on Instagram. There's 2 accounts. There's Valentina Fussell and the House of Valentina. So make sure you subscribe to both of those, follow her there.
And as always, you guys can go to houseofvalentina.com because I will post pictures from here if you're interested in being able to pin them or save them for future ideas. So I think that's about it for today.
That's it.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
There has to be a bust.
There's always got to be some dude watching her sleep.
That's so weird.
He watches over you.
Leave it to you to find something weird about the bust.
Okay, so is there some magic to what you're doing? Because I feel like if I just stick them in a hole, you're not gonna.
Okay,
it's not gonna look
why don't
pretty.
you try sticking it?
Sticking it in a hole?
Oh my
is,
god.
which hole?
God, I'm never gonna be able to invite him on this channel again. You guys are gonna know so much about us. Oh my god.
Is that going in the post-credit?
I don't know. I don't know. Our nephews watch this. They're really beautiful on it. Here, show them so they
Yeah,
can see.
it's beautiful. This one's called The Tale of the Foraging Fox. I don't know what that is about.
It is actually in English.